Hey guys, it's Tammy. Yay! I have a Michaels haul. And yes, it is mostly, if not all the way, yarn. And I know I don't need any, but I am excited to see what I got in person. Okay, I'm trying to open this box. Lots of pretty colors. All right, so I have different kinds of yarn. So this is just the wool ease. I've used this before. This is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. It's medium, and this is in the colorway Blush Heather, and you can see how it's kind of heathered, which is kind of neat. I like that, and I got 3 of those, and I have a project in mind for them, but I'm not sure exactly yet what colors I'm going to use. I kind of got a few just because I was kind of excited, as always. So I got 3 of these. These are the Fisherman. I really like this color, and these were on sale, of course, so I also like that. This one was it was a Fisherman type 2. It's called Wheat, and this one I think they might be discontinuing because it was really inexpensive, and it's a Vanna's Choice Lion brand. Very nice. And then I think the rest, oh no, yes, Chic, and Chic. Okay. So those of you that may know Marley Bird, she is a partner with Red Heart, or I don't know what she is exactly, but she knits and crochets, and she does YouTube, and I found her and I really like her. And she does some really good work, and she does a really neat way of teaching. And all of her, they had a coupon at Michael's that was everything was 30%, 40% off. Whatever you purchased at regular price, and this was included, and this isn't always included in their sales. So Marley has a I thought maybe that was her, but it's not. She has, this is by Marley Bird, Chic Sheep, woo, and it's her own yarn brand, or yeah, and so she created this. It's 100% wool. It is very squishy, very nice. You get, how much do you get? 186 yards, 3.5 ounces per skein. This is in the colorway Platinum. I also got Stiletto, which is black. And I think I got 2, no, this is a Sterling. And then I got these, which are a mint, cream de mint. And she had a crocheted pattern of this really cool scarf that had all of these colors together. And these aren't colors that I would normally put together or normally even wear, but when I saw this scarf, I thought it was really pretty, and you can see it on her website. And I thought, you know what, I might try to recreate that either in crochet or in knitting some way and use those colors in something together, if nothing else. I mean, even that is really pretty, this cowl. And I could do mint in that and then use the other colors in the middle. I mean, it's just different from what I normally do, but sometimes I like doing that. And then I also got this burgundy, which is in the color Lipstick. And I just really liked this color, so I thought that I would get that as well. So I got lots of fun new yarn to play with. And this, I do have to say, is quite squishy. Now this is $10 a skein normally, which is a little bit, it's on the higher end of like local craft store yarn, and it is Red Heart, which is usually a cheaper brand, but this actually feels really, really nice, and it is 100% merino wool, so that's kind of cool. So I don't know, I mean, for 40% off of $9.99, so that came to what, $5.49 a thing, something close to that, maybe $6, I don't know. I just thought that was a decent price, and it would give me a great opportunity to try it and see what I thought. So yeah, and I really like these colors. This is actually probably my favorite color. This is the platinum. I really like that. And I like this mint too, so that'll be kind of cool to see how it all turns out. I don't know, we'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful yarn experience if that's what you like, or if you guys know of some yarn that you think that I should try, let me know. I got these because the price was so good I couldn't pass it up, and I really do love this. And I love some one skein scarves and hats and such, but I also like the idea of making bigger projects, which I am working on, but I haven't gotten very far into that, but I do like that idea. But I love this fisherman color for the fisherman scarf. Ooh, so pretty. I'll put this there so that you can see everything in its glory. One more. There we go. That's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.